Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case the button on the rear hatch is not working, and which fuses to check in case your Equinox is equipped with power liftgate and the liftgate is not opening. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is very easy accessible. It's under the front hood right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So you want to press them together and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. And right here there is a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 23, which is a 30 amp fuse located in the upper right corner, responsible for power to the liftgate module. Second fuse to check will be fuse number 32, which is a 15 amp blue fuse, responsible for power to the rear latch. And the last fuse worth checking, it's a fuse number 49 located in the bottom right corner. Again, it's a 15 amp blue fuse responsible for power to liftgate module logic. Now hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards the power liftgate switch, the rear hatch switch, or possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.